mango French toast. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making mango French toast. This is very healthy for children. 1 egg, 1½ teaspoon of sugar, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix well. Now you will take 3 slices of bread and you can spread cream on it in a good way. You can also use any cream you like. Now you will add a spoonful of butter to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for easy recipes. Lightly fry the toasted cream cheese, then stir in the egg batter. This is a healthy breakfast and it will give you 2-in-1 benefits. First, you will enjoy the freshness of it, and at the same time, you will also enjoy the mango inside it. How do you like your breakfast? Be sure to tell us in the comments. For those who don't eat eggs or don't like mango, you can prepare breakfast this way. Children and adults will eat it with great enthusiasm. This is a healthy and unique breakfast. Mango pulp as your taste. Just like we decorate the entire cake, we will cover the entire French toast with mango pulp. Decoration with pistachio. Believe me, children or adults, they won't be able to tell whether we're eating French toast or cake.